So this is me 7 minutes before the deadline. The app is crashing, articles are not loading, everything is broken. Now I try to fix it, but I have merge conflict. I have two options, left or right, left or right. I don't know which one to choose. I clicked left, accepted, and everything worked. So this is the story how we won our first vibe coding hackathon in Croatia, and here are the details around it. Hi, I'm Ivan, and this is the product that Luca AI managed to build in just under 9 hours on vibe coding hackathon in Croatia called SheepAI, and the results were pretty impressive to me, to be honest. So I wanted to show you first from what the actual proposition of the hackathon was, what were the rules, and how everything went down. The main sponsor of our competition was Fonoa, and they provided us the challenge that's based on their use case that they have in industry, and the challenge goes as following. So we got a Hacker News website where there are 100 plus articles delivered every day. For each article, the challenge was to create the database with all of the articles in the site, analyze with AI, and then have a personalized and summarized solution to the each users individually. And that was the main brief. So input is Hacker News website, and you have to scrape the articles, analyze articles, and deliver personalized content to the users. The only constraint was only to use Hacker News, and every programming tool, Cursor, Lovable, Bolt, Zero Dev, everything was allowed. The main goal just was scrape the website, analyze the articles, and that's it. And we got 9 hours to do it. So here is what we managed to do it in just that time frame. Our solution was CyberShepherd. Why CyberShepherd? Because cybersecurity teams they feel like they're being attacked by the wolves all the time. Malware, ransomware, DDoS, vulnerability, and so on. So we wanted to create a platform where they can subscribe only to the information that are relevant for them. So if they have Python in their tech stack, they only want to know information about Python. So they don't necessarily want to have uh, vulnerabilities for some other programming languages that they are not using. In order to accomplish this, we made a script that scrapes the articles from Hacker News. We scraped over 500 articles, and we created a daily and hourly recurring job that scrapes the new articles and stores them in the database automatically. So once users go to the website, they can inspect it and look at the articles that are already in our database. And here is how they look at the moment. So they have the filters by severity level, by regions, by time frame, by categories such as security, vulnerability, malware, data breach, or whatnot, and also the technology. Okay. And once they filter out the technology, the filters that they want, they can then log in to subscribe. So they can go in, subscribe via, log in via email or via Gmail. And once they're logged in, they have the option to subscribe to filters. So let's say if they are interested in on critical and high priority issues that are related to JavaScript. Okay, now here is the list of articles that are most relevant to them. So what would they do? They will go here, click subscribe, say critical plus JavaScript alerts. They can select the frequency of updates, such as immediately as soon as the article is scraped, or weekly digest. They can get a notification via email or a Slack channel. So we also had in the settings, we also had option to personalize feeds. You also have the settings to connect to the Slack, where you can select whatever channel that you want. And once they go and look for a specific article, they see the breakdown such as this. So this is the analyze article, which now contains the executive summary, analysis, key takeaways, full analysis, the affected scope, technologies, related topics, recommendation plan, and so on. When the scripter and scheduler works, they would get the update via email or via Slack. But let me show you how that individual message could look like. Okay. See, now we can see this is the update for specific article. Also, one thing to mention is they can edit the subscriptions, they can edit the notifications, and so on. And also, they have the ability to have chat with the filters, meaning now all the articles that are in the filters can be. We are using RAG to answer the questions based on the articles, and also you can search uh, for semantic meanings, such as you can say, let's say npm, and you will get the filter and embeddings sort for the most relevant articles for them. So that's how technically it works. Under the hood, we in general we had the script which script historic articles, and then we had cron job that analyzed every hour to look every hour to see if there are some new ones. Each of the article would be analyzed using LLMs, stored into database, and then you have search and deliver methods. From tech stack, it uses the Next.js, Fast API, Stupa-based, OpenAI, LangChain, edge functions. So we are using Stupa-based edge functions, and views for deployment Vercel, Docker, and Railway. Uh, and yeah, that's pretty much it. What we managed to build. So everything is functional. I There are a lot of ways that it could be improved under the hood, but overall general idea, I think that we managed to deliver it. I'm planning to record some more in-depth analysis on how we build it technically, what prompts did we do to make it, like branding styles and so on. But yeah, let me know what you think, and thank you. Bye bye.